What is up, everybody? How are you guys doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you guys are in good health. Today I'm going to be doing a video on my cousin's acrylic press-on set for her 16th birthday, her little sweet 16. Ooh! Shout out to Mariah. Happy birthday, girl. I hope you love them, and I hope you have the most wonderful day. I also wanted to talk about my giveaway that I'm having. So I am giving away a Young Nails core beginner kit, and in a minute in the screen it'll pop up what everything entails. So for the rules, you have to follow me on Instagram, subscribe publicly on YouTube, and comment down below why you love nails so much and what nails mean to you. Pretty simple. Here's what it all entails. So this is what I started out with when I was a beginner, so that's why I chose a specific product. I mean, it has so many core powders, oils, files, buffers, gels, pretty much most of what you need to start off with besides maybe a drill and a lamp. So I really love it. That's really what got me started. My sister actually gave it to me, so shout out to my sister. Love you, girl. But yeah, I'm so excited to be doing this giveaway. Make sure you guys follow the rules. Make sure you guys are, if you subscribe, when you subscribe on YouTube, subscribe publicly so that way I can see, because I will be checking. And good luck to everybody out there. I will go ahead and let you guys watch the video. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on this set. And yeah, I look forward to hearing from you guys. Bye. Alright, so while I finish out top coating them, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Be sure to enter the giveaway. Yeah, good luck. It really helped me out when I was a beginner, so I would love to return the favor and help somebody else out with their starting out their nail career. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. This is the final result. I love them so much. Like, I hope she feels like such a beautiful princess on her day. Like, I'm so excited to see her with them. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.